Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the tool. Open Settings, tap Control Center, then add Screen Recording to included controls. Once done, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and locate the round record icon. Make sure your iPhone has enough free storage so recordings save. This avoids failed captures. If you plan to narrate, long press the record icon now to expose the mic toggle and recording options. This immediate setup gets you ready to capture without interruptions. With the screen you want visible, summon Control Center and long press the screen recording icon to set audio. Turn the microphone on if you want voiceover, or leave it off for internal audio only. Tap Start Recording and a 3-second countdown begins, giving you time to prepare the app. During recording, a red status bar or pill appears at the top. That's your live indicator. To capture taps or performance, move naturally. iOS records exactly what's on screen, so plan animations or gestures in advance. To finish, tap the red status bar or return to Control Center and tap the record icon again. iOS saves the clip automatically to Photos. Once saved, open Photos, select the recording, and use Edit to trim or export. If your recording doesn't appear, make sure screen time content restrictions aren't blocking screen capture and verify you have storage space. Also, restart the device. If permissions look fine but problems persist, reboot and retry. Most issues resolve after freeing space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.